Hello, budding Python programmers. The last minute professor is here to help you with the installation of Python from scratch and get started with idle. Connect to internet and open your web browser. I have opened Google Chrome here. I'm using Windows operating system. In the address bar, type python.org slash downloads slash and press enter key. Once the website loads, you can directly click on Download Python 3.9.0. That's the latest version available as on date of recording of the video. If you're using other OS like Mac OS or Linux, or if you want to choose other versions of Python, you can click on Downloads and explore the available options and choose based on your requirement. Once the executable file, that is, the file with .exe extension is downloaded, click on it and run the file. In the window that pops up, you have two options available: Install Now and Customize Installation. Install Now has default location and features mentioned. Here I'm choosing Install Now option. If you want to make any modification by changing location or selecting the features, you can click on Customize Installation. Else, you can easily finish the task by using Install Now. Once it is done, you'd get a message stating that the setup was successful. You can choose Close Now. That's it. We are now done with the Python installation. To get started with idle, press Windows key or click on the Windows icon and type IDLE and press enter. Idle's interactive mode opens by default. To get started, let's just type 1 plus 1. It gives the answer 2. To use script mode, click on File, New File. Type your code. I'm just giving print to Hello World. Click on Run, Run Module. The file has to be saved before running. So give OK and give the file name as it prompts. And click on Save. Now we have the output on the output screen. That's it. To encourage and support this work, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.